Hello, I'm Dr. Heidi Popham, President of Georgia Northwestern Technical College, and I want to tell you about a new exciting training program we just completed. First, let me start by saying how much we at GNTC appreciate our partnerships with business and industry, local and state agencies, and other organizations. These partnerships are fundamental in the workforce development success we see in our communities. One great example of this was a recent collaboration between GNTC, the Technical College System of Georgia, the Floyd County Prison, and the Northwest Georgia Regional Commission.
Beginning in the summer of 2020, offenders at the Floyd County Prison in Rome began real-world, hands-on training in the Technical College System of Georgia's mobile welding lab. This state-of-the-art unit includes 6 welding booths, virtual welders, and other instructional resources. The lab was temporarily set up on the grounds of the Floyd County Prison and provided the offenders with a fully equipped welding lab on site that has the same industry standard equipment found in GNTC's welding labs. Upon completing the program, graduates earned the Certificate of Completion, showing they finished their training in shielded metal arc and flux core welding, which included up to 2 weld test certifications from the American Welding Society. During the commencement ceremony for the second cohort of offenders to complete the program, Dr. Popham introduced GNTC's new Prior Learning Assessment Initiative. As part of this new initiative, trainees that have completed the program and passed the American Welding Society's weld test certifications can be exempt from a college credit course if they choose to continue their education at GNTC and meet admissions requirements.
This new initiative is the first of its kind at GNTC, bridging non-credit and credit training. The prior learning credits these trainees have earned can now be applied to technical certificates of credit in our welding program at GNTC.
The welding program at the Floyd County Prison was made possible through partnerships at the state and local level. GNTC's Office of Economic Development met with officials at the Floyd County Prison, developed the program, and secured funding.
I was moved by the men's respect and dedication in learning a new technical skill that will equip them to earn a good job upon parole. I am confident that when the time comes, they will fulfill high-demand jobs within manufacturing.
The practical experience the offenders earned in welding opens up a career path with many opportunities. Virtually everything around us, every car, building, bridge, pipeline, plane, boat, and more, were created in part by welding. Graduates of the program can now enter the workforce with the necessary experience for a long-term career.